Hello students, hope you are quite well. Since today I am going to discuss chapter number 13 from class 10th mathematics, that is the surface area and value. Since surface area and value for what? For the solids. So you know what is the solid? Solid means the figure which occupy any portion of the space. And suppose this is the object, this is the figure. It occupies any portion of this space. It has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Now students, I am discussing surface area and value. So for surface area, you know, the sum of areas of all the faces. The sum of areas of all the faces, that faces may be plane, may be curved, that is called total surface area of the solid. Or you can say that the area which you can touch and feel. Suppose this is the object, and for the surface area you can say this you can touch, or you can say which area, that area which you can paint. Suppose इसको आपको पेंट करना है, then आप किस किस सारे फेसेस को पेंट कर पाएंगे, तो that area is called the total surface area of this solid. Okay. Now students, for the value, the measurement of space occupied by any solid is called the volume of that solid. Means suppose this is the solid, if the amount of or measurement of space occupied by this solid, that is called the volume of this solid. Okay. In class 10 students, you have studied the surface area and volume for the combination of solid. You know, combination of solid, combination of two solid or three solid. In daily life you see lot of figures, lot of shapes, lot of objects which are combination of two solids. Okay. So first of all, for discussing that, we can recap the formula for surface area and value of the basic solids. Okay. So first is the solid is cuboid. You know, cuboid is made by the rectangular faces. Okay. Cuboid is made by the rectangular faces. Sometimes some is the square faces also. So it has, one is the length, second is the breadth, and third is the height. Suppose this is the cuboid, so this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Then you can say for the lateral surface area of cuboid, 2L plus B into H. H, students, you know, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, you know very well, okay? The sum of all areas excluding top and bottom. So in this case, top and bottom will excluded. Then area of four faces will be this 2 bracket L plus B into H. Now TSA, then TSA is what? TSA is equal to 2 times of LB plus BH plus HH. Okay. And value is equal to L into B into H. Now for the cube, you know, cube is the form of cuboid. अगर cuboid के सारे faces क्या हो जाए? Square. Then that is what? The cube. Okay. So in cube you say that all the dimensions will be same. That means length, breadth and height all will be same. You can say that the side or edge of the cube. So now for the cube, LSA means area of four faces excluding top and bottom. Then it will what? 4A square. And for the TSA, you can see that 6A square, because top and bottom is included in this case. Okay. Now for the value means EQ. EQ has L is A, B is A, H is A. So A into A, that means AQ. Third solid is the cylinder. Okay. Cylinder, it has the three faces, you know. One is the curve and two is the plane. This is the cylinder. One is the curve and two is the plane. This is the plane. Okay. And this is also the plane. Okay. So for the cylinder, you can see that for the plane, uniform cross sections, radius is R and height is H. Then LSA, you can say that LSA is what? CSA. CSA means curved surface area. Okay, because this portion is the curved. Okay, this is the curved. So you can say that CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h, and for the TSA you can add area of top and bottom. So it will become what? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Then it will what? 2 pi r bracket h plus r. That is the TSA. And the value that is the pi r square h. Okay, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height of the cylinder. Now students, for the hollow cylinder, you know, for the hollow cylinder, suppose it is open from top and bottom and it has the thickness in its cylinder. So it has two cylindrical shape like this, internal and external also. So it has two in CSA also. As you know, surface area, curved surface area excluding top and bottom. So CSA means internal, means अंदर भी आप टच कर सकते हैं, पिन कर सकते हैं, and outer भी आप टच और पिन कर सकते हैं. So internal CSA की बात करेंगे, then internal CSA, that is what? 2 pi small rh. That's internal cylinder radius is small r, and for external radius, that is capital R, and height is h, and external CSA, that is 2 pi capital R h. Now students, TSA of hollow cylinder, that is what? Internal CSA plus external CSA plus area of 2 inch. 2 inch, that means one is the top and one is the bottom, and top and bottom is what? Like a ring shape, you know, and area of ring is what? Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So it will what? 2 pi small r h plus 2 pi capital R h plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. TSA. Now TSA is what? 2 pi common ले लेते हैं. Then RH plus capital RH plus capital R square minus small r square. Now choose value or material used to make the hollow cylinder. That is what? External value minus internal value. External यानी pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Okay. Now students, fifth solid is what? Cone. You know, if the slant height of the cone is L, vertical height is h, and radius of the base is r, then you know students, by using the Pythagoras theorem, you say that slant height is equal to under root h square plus r square. Now students, CSA of cone, that is the pi r. Okay. TSA, area of curved surface area plus area of base. So it will what? Pi r L plus pi r square. Then it will become what? Pi r bracket L plus r. TSA. And value of cone is the 1/3 of the value of cylinder. If radii of the base and height of the cone and cylinder is same, then you can say that 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Now the sixth solid is sphere. You know, sphere is the three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional. So, and it is made by what? Circle. If you rotate any circle with any axis by putting the axis, then that is the sphere. And it has the radius, suppose the radius is r, then you can say that CSA of sphere is what? 4 pi r square. Okay, and since it has the only one face, that is the curve, so TSA, any total surface area, that is also the 4 pi r square. Okay, and value, for the value is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, students. Next step is spherical cell. You know spherical cell? Sphere आपने देखा? Spherical cell, that means a sphere which is hollowed from inside. Okay? Suppose this is the hollowed sphere, means it is closed from outside but it is hollowed from inside. Okay? Suppose internal radius is small r and external radius is capital R. Then you can say that CSA, external CSA लेंगे because you can touch only the external CSA. Okay, so CSA, that is what, 4 pi capital R square, because the capital R is the radius of external sphere. Yeah, and TSA, that is also the 4 pi capital R square, because only one face is there. Okay, next value means external value minus internal value. External value minus internal value. So that is what, 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus 4 by 3 pi small r cube. That means 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Okay, that is the value. Next solid is hemisphere. You know, hemi means half of the sphere. This is, and again the radius of this is what, r, and this has the curved surface area. This has the two faces. Okay, one is the plane and one is the curve. So CSA of this hemisphere, that is what, half of the CSA of sphere. So half यानी 4 pi r square उसका था, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 2 pi r square. And for the TSA that means CSA plus area of base. ये भी एरिया क्या होगा आपके पास, ये एरिया भी इंक्लूड होगा. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that means 3 pi r square. That is the TSA. And value, half of the value of sphere, means 4 by 3 pi r cube is the value of sphere. So half of it, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, students. Now next, so it is hemispherical cell. Suppose hemispherical cell, that is the ball type shape. Okay, it has maybe thickness. Okay, so it has the two radii. One is the smaller internal hemisphere and external hemisphere also. तो यहाँ पर भी अगर हम बात करें, then external CSA and internal CSA की बात करें, और thickness भी अगर लिख लें, thickness को क्या लिखेंगे, thickness is equal to capital R minus small r. Okay, and external CSA, so CSA अभी हमने लिखा था external CSA किसके लिए, हेमिस्फीयर के लिए, तो 2 pi r स्क्वायर था, लेकिन एक्सटर्नल के लिए रेडियस कैपिटल R है. सो आपके पास क्या होगा, 2 pi कैपिटल R स्क्वायर. इंटरनल CSA, that means 2 pi small r square. Okay, and for the TSA you can say that internal, external plus area of this base. Okay, means 2 pi capital R square external CSA plus internal CSA and 2 pi small r square plus area of this base, means this is the ring. So pi capital R square minus small r square. Now taking pi as common, then you can say that pi 2 capital R square plus 2 small r square plus capital R square minus small r square. Then it will become what? Pi 3 capital R square plus small r square, 2r square से अंदर का स्क्वायर सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, then it will got the TSA of hemispherical cell and the value you know external value minus internal value, that means what, 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus 2 by 3 pi small r cube, that means 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube, that is the value of hemispherical cell. Okay students, see, now students we are going to discuss surface area and volume for combination of solid. Okay, so surface area of any combination of solid is the sum of curved surface area of their each and individual part. Here I have taken two objects, one is the combination of two solid and another is the combination of three solid. So first see this is the combination of cone plus hemisphere, like this. See students, this is the combination of two solid, one is the cone and another is the hemisphere. In our surrounding you see lot of object like this, like toy of the children. Okay, reverse अगर देखें like a ice cream cone. Okay, so if we have to find out the surface area of this, then we have to find out the curved surface area of this cone and curved surface area of this hemisphere. Okay, then add up. Okay, see, total surface area of new solid is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, CSA of cone, that is pi r l. Why? As let slant height of this cone is L, vertical height is h and radius of base is r, and same radius of base for the hemisphere also. Then CSA of hemisphere is what, 2 pi r square. Okay, pi r is common, then in bracket L plus 2r. Okay, this is the TSA of new solid. Okay, for the volume of this solid, suppose the value of this solid is any material used to make this solid, means suppose volume of, we have to add up the volume of this conical shape and volume of this hemisphere. Okay, so volume of new solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and this is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Taking pi by 3 r square as common, then in bracket pi by 3 r square, then h plus 2r. Okay, again for this solid, this is the combination of cone plus cylinder plus cone. Like students, this, see this object also. Okay, this is like this object, this is the combination of three solid, one is the cone, another is the cylinder, and third is also the cone. Okay, for surface area of this solid, we have to find out the curved surface area of this cone plus curved surface area of this cylinder plus curved surface area of this cone and add up. Okay, clear? So first of let the dimension of first cone is slant height is L1, vertical height is H1 and radius is R, and for the cylinder suppose radius of base is same and height is H, and for the another cone suppose the slant height is L2. Okay, radius of base again same and vertical height is H2. Then total surface area of new solid is equal to CSA of 1 coon plus CSA of cylinder, okay, plus CSA of other coon. Okay, so CSA of first coon means pi r L1. Okay, pi r L is the formula. Here is the slant height is L1 and 2 pi r h, that is the CSA of cylinder, plus pi r L2, that is the CSA of another cone. ठीक है, taking pi r as common, then in bracket L1 plus 2h plus L2. Okay, for the value students, again you see this object. Okay, for material used to make this object, then value of this cone first, then value of cylinder, then value of this cone, and add up also. Okay, so value of new solid is equal to value of cone plus value of cylinder plus value of another cone. So value of first cone, h1 is the height, 1 by 3 pi r square h1 plus pi r square h plus 1 by 3 pi r square h2. Okay, taking pi r square common, then in bracket h1 by 3 plus h plus h2 by 3. That is the value of new solid. Okay students, see this. Okay.